Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, the director says she wants ramen. So we're having ramen. All right, so let's get this put together. First of all, I have some chicken. Well, wait a second. You know, we're not going to do just regular ramen here at the Galley of the Sun. We are doing smoked chicken ramen. So right now I have my Yoder YS640 pellet grill preheating to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to get these chicken thighs here smoking for about an hour, getting that delicious flavor. Now, we're putting these in ramen, so we need a rub that sort of matches the flavor profile. What I have here is a rub from Weber's, which is garlic sriracha. So, let's get our chickens all covered here with this fine stuff. Get that patted in, get them flipped, do the other side. Now, whenever you're doing cooking like ramen or stir fry, both of them, you need to have all of your ingredients prepped ahead of time, which is a great idea for absolutely any meal. It keeps you from forgetting things, keeps you from grabbing something out of the cabinet that isn't there or whatever. So you're prepared ahead of time, but it is especially important when doing things where things happen fast, and that's like stir fry and ramen. All right, my chicken's all seasoned. I'm gonna get this onto the smoker and let it go for about an hour. But we have some things we can do in the meantime, and we'll talk about that in a second. All righty, so the chicken's still smoking. I'm starting to boil some water for my ramen. Now we're gonna fire up this stock pot and get our broth prepared. So first of all, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Let that get heated up. All right, I'm seeing the shimmering, so now goes in our onions. And we're gonna cook those for about 5 minutes or so until they're good and soft. All right, our onions are softened up. Now goes in the garlic and the ginger, and all the amounts are down in the description. We're gonna cook this for about a minute. All right, so now goes in the chicken broth. And the soy sauce. And your chili garlic sauce. We get that all stirred up, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. All right, we've been simmering for a while. We're about 10 minutes out, so now I'm gonna add some mushrooms and bok choy to my broth. And we let that go until we're ready to serve. All right, so it's just about time. So we got this fancy ramen from Costco. I'm gonna get that cooking. I got my boiling water here. I'm gonna put some ramen in there. That sets for a minute, then we're going to spread the noodles out and then cook it for another 3 minutes. Now, as our ramen's cooking, our chicken is off the smoker, so we're gonna cut that into thin strips, or thin strips, depending on where you're from. Ah, you can smell that good smoky flavor. Okay, I can't take it anymore. Oh, the garlic sriracha rub adds a real good flavor. And don't be afraid of the name. It's not spicy at all, but it is delicious. All right, before the director tells us how awesome our cooking is, if you're liking what you're seeing, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Never miss an episode. We really appreciate you guys. Is there something that you would like to see us cook? Put it down in the comments. We'll give it a try. All right, let's get the director in here and give this a try. First of all, you got your noodles. Then you're gonna put some broth on it. And then on that, we're gonna put some chicken. All right, let's get the judgment. Well, did I get it right? Fantastic. There we go. We have the judgment of the director. Hey, thanks so much for joining us tonight. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.